Okay, my friend, welcome to this HaasBot review. You are looking for the HaasBot info on whether this is a real trading tool, whether this is going to work for you. So welcome to this video, my friend. We are going to be going over this information. My name is Justin. Welcome to this channel. You are on BitZone, and let's go over this HaasBot software. So we are going to be going over everything that you need to know, and so make sure to pay attention to the end. Joining crypto allowed me to generate a solid income for myself and live a stress-free life to be able to build businesses. So I like to review stuff like HaasBot and to let you know if it's worthy of your investment and whether you should trust it or not. Because crypto has helped me out a lot in my personal life. So it's a thing that I'm passionate about. So after all, many people are are talking about it, and it seems to be generating a lot of excellent returns for people. So here's this HaasBot review. What is HaasBot? This unique online tool is is a very real and legitimate Bitcoin trading tool that is a heavy-hitting tool that is for professional traders. HaasBot is not for the newbie or for someone who wants to start small. You will be paying a pretty penny for all the features and fees once you get going. And it is a 3-month lease license, as you will see later on. So, however, like I said earlier, HaasBot is actually designed for expert traders. So who are the HaasBot masterminds? This project was first born as a as a personal idea to be able to make money for a few people. And so as this program evolved and the programming saw success and everything started to, go in the right direction, the team decided to sell the HaasBot on commercially via the internet. So the top names include Haas, the lead developer of Haas Online. And Haas Online is also a website that gives a lot of information about how to use HaasBot. However, it's still very, very complicated to use. And then Phil Donsbach, marketing manager, Lander Van Haverbeck, developer, and then Theo Goodman, support specialist. So what is the price of HaasBot to join? The beginner level is going to be 0.028 Bitcoin for a 3-month license, which I believe is about $300 right now. Bitcoin's at like 11,200. So I think it's like $300 or something. I think. Correct me on that if I'm wrong. But you get access to 12 concurrent HaasBots. You get access to 10 plus insurances, access to 10 plus safeties, access to 20 indicators, all exchanges supported, core features included and support. So in insurances and safeties and indicators, safeties are like, it prevents you from losing a lot of money. I'm not sure how the insurances are set up, but the access to the indicators are like when certain indicators hit a certain, like a line above this line or this candle here, or the separation of candles on the 30-minute chart. So your indicators, you get a lot of access to certain things, and there's a lot of things to customize, and so that's what you get at the beginner level. Simple is the next level, 0.49, which is going to be about 500 something dollars worth of Bitcoin, I believe. I'm not sure. I would have to get a calculator, do it online, but I think that's what that is. And it's again for a 3-month license, so you're paying every 3 months. And you get 24 bots, you get unrestricted insurance, access to 15 safeties, 40 indicators, all exchanges supported, core features included, plus support. Now the advanced level is the highest level, is about $900 so right now, and keep in mind that this is in Bitcoin, so the price does increase as Bitcoin does go up, and the price does go down when Bitcoin does go down. So and again, it's for a 3-month license. That's it's very expensive. But anyways, it's for heavy hitting traders that are making, like $6,000 a month, even more, and who, want to get into something that's able to, help them go from like 6,000 a month to like, the next level that they want. I can't guarantee any incomes, obviously, but HaasBot's a tool that allows the professional trader to reach the next level. So if you're not a professional trader, this is not the tool for you. All right. For me personally, I do not have HaasBot because I choose to have a bot that runs 24/7 without me having to change anything. So I prefer something that's a lot simpler to set up. All I have to do is connect an API key and it's running. HaasBot's, way more advanced than what I like to use. If you're a professional day trader, this is your tool. Okay, this is your number one best friend tool. However, it is pretty expensive. So on the advanced level, you get unlimited HaasBots, unrestricted insurances, unrestricted safeties, unrestricted indicators, all exchanges supported core features, and primary support. Okay, primary support. That's pretty cool. But you pay every 3 months for that. So it adds up. Recent HaasBot news, they have created some recent updates in their interface to help people use this tool. You're able to set up bots in a click, but it takes a lot of knowledge and time to set up and configure the settings you want, okay? So although you can just, click and have a bot ready, it's an empty shell. You got to program it you got to put the gears in it. You got to, put this wire to that wire so that it works a certain way, rather than this wire to that wire, so it messes up. So like you got to figure out how you want your bot to set up. And that's kind of, we'll get into the cons in a second, but the pros are, it's a heavy hitting tool that really works for people that know what they're doing, what they are doing. So, if you're making a lot of money day trading, or you have a lot of capital and you want to say, okay, I've saved up a lot of money and I want to, really get into crypto, then, you feel free, that's cool. It does have quality support and great updates. The cons are it's very complicated for new people. Okay, it's very hard to use. It's not recommended for newbies. if and because of that, you're gonna be paying a 3-month license, which is gonna cost a lot of money. Okay, so you're not gonna be knowing how to use the tool, and you're gonna be paying every 3 months. So it ends up being very costly. And so this tool is really for a very, very select few people in the world who really want to day trade and master day trading. And if you want to start small, I can help you. I have another tool that will be able to help you trade on autopilot. But HaasBot's great for people who are already, like, let's say you're in one of the 3 lending platforms that survived or whatever, then HaasBot's a great tool to start, kicking in a lot of trades, start doing it manually and start multiplying Bitcoin to get out of the risk of lending and start, putting your earnings into, a trading bot like HaasBot. So, there's a lot of diverse ways to be able to multiply Bitcoin using a lot of tools. However, HaasBot is going to be one of the most advanced ones, one of the most hard to use ones. However, it is, it is valuable. It is a valuable tool. It's worth it. Okay, it is worth the money that you pay. However, it may not be worth the money to you to pay because you may not be an expert. You may not know how to set it up already, okay? And you do have to, read a lot of articles. You do have to go through a lot of information multiple times to, gather the basic knowledge of how to set up a bot. And then, it's a learning curve, just like anything. Just like anything out there, it's a learning curve. So is HaasBot a scam? No. Moving on. Can HaasBot guarantee you success? No, this is a tricky tool to use, and if you are not ready, you could drain your capital fast, okay? HaasBot conclusion, great tool, 5 stars for people who want to sit in front of the computer and day trade for a living. If you use this tool successfully, the income potential is shocking. However, if you are not an expert already, you may lose your funds before you start making any real profits from using HaasBot. Legit HaasBot alternative. Okay, so I want to save you from having to go through this massive learning curve. And if you do want to go through this massive learning curve, that's great, but maybe you don't want to do it right now. Maybe you want to automate your trading, focus on some other things, be able to make some income, and then, buy an expensive tool like HaasBot later, So wherever you're at, I can help you. Check out this HaasBot alternative. If you're like me, I want to be able to trade Bitcoin and altcoins without complicated setup and configuration, correct? Imagine being able to trade 15 plus altcoins while you work, sleep, or play, allowing you to enjoy your hobbies or build other businesses, okay? Build other businesses. So click, if you're on this article, click here. If you're in my YouTube video, visit the website in the description below, justinleontemple.com, and you will be seeing a video on that page that will explain everything about how this HaasBot alternative works, and you'll be able to have the opportunity to see the back office and how trades are being done compliantly, legally, and how everything's done on your own Binance account without having to send money to a third-party company like that, BitConnect massacre. Like, I lost $5,000 in BitConnect, or actually 6,000. So, I'm not looking to do that again. Okay, so I use bots now, and that's the safest way. 80% of all trades on Bitcoin market are done by bots, and a lot of stock market forex trading is done by bots. So bots are really the way to go. HaasBot is going to be a hard to use tool. If you want to learn an easy to use tool, I recommend you visit justinleontemple.com in the description below, and you will see my personal website. So thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching this HaasBot review, and make it a great day, my friend. I will see you on the next page to teach you how to automate your day trading without a lot of complicated setup so that you can do it easily. And I've got team members who literally set up their bot and have their first trades started and closing within 24 hours. Okay, that's how easy it is to set it up. That's how fast it is to set it up. Now, there's no guarantees of income at all in any way whatsoever. It is based off of the market. Obviously, this. You're a crypto investor. You're a crypto trader. You know your stuff. We all understand the risks of what this industry, is defaulted to, just like any investment whatsoever. So, there is no guarantee of income with HaasBot. There's no guarantee of income with any bot, any lending, any, whatsoever in crypto. But I am building a massive team at justinleontemple.com. I'm helping people build their binary legs if you're into affiliate marketing. So there's a lot of benefit. There's a lot of leadership with me and our team at justinleontemple.com. So if you're looking for a real serious leader, mentor, someone to run with, a whole team to run with, you have found the best video, my friend. You're going to want to click Justin Leon Temple right now, justinleontemple.com right now. So without further ado, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell notifications. And if you agree or disagree, be sure to comment in the box below. And I look forward to chatting with you and letting you know whether I disagree or not as well. So, hey, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on the next page, and I'll see you on the inside.